Good morning to everyone. Today we discuss about the mental health team. So mental health team means a team which are providing the care to the psychiatric patient. In this team, the various departments are included to provide the care for the psychiatric patients. So now we discuss about the multidisciplinary team consists of the staff from several different professional backgrounds who have different area of expertise. So different areas we are selecting in our mental health professional team to care for the mental ill patients. Definition: a multidisciplinary team involves a range of health professionals from one or more organizations working together to deliver comprehensive patient care. So this is our definition for the mental health team. Now discuss about the basics of the function of the multidisciplinary team. What are the basic function of the multidisciplinary team? So generally multidisciplinary team convey many benefits to both the patient and the health professional working on the team, because nurses are providing the care according to their level, psychiatrists also providing the treatment to patients, and other departments such as a laboratory department, psychotherapist also useful for the department of the team. To ensure optimum functioning of the team and effective patient outcomes, so a team or joint efforts of the team provide the good effort to providing the care to the patients. The role of the multidisciplinary team members in care planning and delivery must be clear, negotiated, and definite delivery should be provided by the all professional team member. After the function we required because a good team required for these steps, or these are the things: respect and trust between team members. So whenever we are working for the psychiatric patient to providing the care, we should have the respect and trust in between the each and every member of the team. Second, the best use of the skill mix within the team. Best use of the skills, we select the member those are having the skillful needed or skillful technology. Next, third is the agreed clinical governance structures. As per structure we are include the team members. Next one is the agreed system and protocol for communication and interaction between team members. So every team member must follow the protocol and should have the interaction between the each other, because to provide the effective care to the patient. Next, multidisciplinary approach refer to collaboration between the member of different discipline who provide specific services to the psychiatric patients. Those professionals are providing the psychiatric patient, they must have the collaboration between the team for the effective team planning. These are our teams for the mental health teams. First one is a psychiatrist, doctor, a psychiatric nurse. Third one is the clinical psychologist. Next one is the psychiatric social worker, PSW, an occupational therapist or an activity therapist. Next one is the pharmacist and dietitian also include in the team, a counselor. Next is the community mental health nurse, creative art therapist, music therapist, recreation therapist, psychodramatics, psychotherapist. So these are our team to providing the care to the psychiatric patients. So in these team team should have the collaboration whenever they are providing the care to the psychiatric patients. Next is the technical staff, psychiatric nursing aid also include in the team, auxiliary personnel also include in the team, ECT technician also play important role in the team, dietitian, clergyman, speech therapist and play therapist also involve as a technical or supporting staff in mental health team. Next, a psychiatric should have purchased the MBBS degree after they are having the MD in the psychiatric departments. Admitting patient to acute care settings, prescribing and monitoring psychopharmacological agents, administering electroconvulsive therapy, conducting individual and family therapy, and participating in interdisciplinary team meetings. So the psychiatrist is the head of the department of this mental health team, and they are having these function to administer the care and look after the psychiatric patients. Next is the psychiatric nurse. Those are pursuing the general nursing and midwifery, BSc nursing and midwifery, and MSc nursing in the department of psychiatric nursing are involved in the mental health teams. These are the function: administering and monitoring medications. So psychiatric nurse should provide the medication and monitoring of the drugs, assessing in numerous psychiatric and physical treatment, participate in interdisciplinary team meetings, teach patient and families, take responsibility patient record. Each and every record should be maintained by the registered nurse. Act as a patient advocates. Whenever needed, the psychiatric nurse should provide the advocacy to the patients. Interact with patients' significance other. Which services are important? The nurse should interact with the patients. Next is the psychiatric social worker, or that is the PSW. A psychiatric social worker should have a master degree in social work or PhD degree with the specialized training programs. Next is the clinical psychologist. He should have master degree in psychology or PhD in clinical areas. And he is accountable for psychological assessment, testing and treatment. Various therapy are providing the mental health team. The psychologist should responsible for the particular services to providing the care and look after those psychiatric patients. Next is the occupational therapist or an activity therapist also we call to the patient. An occupational therapist is accountable for recreational, occupational activities and activities programs. So occupational therapies maintain the recreation activity, occupational therapy, and he assists the patient to gain skills that help them cope more effectively to gain or retain employment to use leisure time. How to use the leisure time? The occupational therapy should must